Hi, I'm Amber with WTI, and if you love keto snacks as much as I do, you're gonna love these. Organika Fav's keto cookies are just that. They are my favorite keto cookies I think I've ever tried. They're so cute. They are very delicious. You would suspect for them to be more dry, but they're just the perfect little bite-sized cookie. A single serving has about 7 cookies, which is the perfect amount for me just to have a little snack. There's only 1 gram of sugar. It is sweetened with stevia, so there's a slight stevia aftertaste, but it's nothing crazy. The chocolate balances out very, very nicely. And what's really neat about these cookies is it has collagen in them. There's 4 grams of protein and 14 grams of fat, so it keeps you nice and full for a snack. I don't feel like I need to eat the whole bag, and there's only 2 net grams of carbs in them. So Organika cookies are definitely my favorite cookie, and that is my point of view.